Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a free traffic method you can use to promote your affiliate offers. Okay, so the free traffic method I'm going to show you today is a website called fac.com. It's called fac.com, which got, if you can check this out, it got it's the worldwide rank is 7,497, which the United States rank is 1,891, and if you check this out, they got 8.79 million visits per month, which is huge. Okay, so if you scroll down, United States got 83% of the visitors. So, and if you can see, most of the visitors are direct. They are direct visitors. So I'm going to show you how to use this website to make some commissions. So all I need from you is just to stay with me till the end of this video so that you can see the step-by-step method on how I'm able to do that. And before I'll show you this, I'll quickly invite you to kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell, okay, so that you'll be the first person to watch my next strategy. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the website and see what's happening there. So you want to go to fac.com. So this is the website here. What this website is all about is a website which let me say is a forum. To me, is a forum that everybody comes here and posts their links of different news. Okay, so all this website is all about is about posting a news links. Okay, so if you see any news of different categories, okay, as you can see, this is a link here that someone posted. Okay, so someone posted this also. So all you have to do is just you post the link, then you post the source, which these are the source here. Okay, they got this news from this ARL now. So they got this news also from CBS 7. So that's all the website is all about. All you have to just go out there and check, as in copy any category of a news, then come back here and post it under the categories. Okay, they have discussion, sports, they have business news, STEM, entertainment, fandom, doll, food, politics. So these are links, and if you check this out, these are the links posted today, which are, this one got 3 views, 27 views, 60 views just for today. So just imagine you posted this news and it's got this visit. Okay, so just imagine the tone of traffic you receive on your link. So I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to manipulate this to make some commissions. So on getting to this website, let me show you more about this website. This is FAC, which is my which is my profile. Then total FAC is the paid version, as in paid method. So you can pay here to post some ads like this. As you can see, this is an ad here, this video loading here. So, and these are frequently asked questions. You can go here and read more about the guideline and the rules of the website. Okay, so they didn't allow any you can't post any link here. All you have to do is just to post the news links, and that's all. But if you post any affiliate link or any you won't even be, they won't approve it. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to post your link so that you'll be able to promote your offer. Okay, so after I've showed you this, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to ClickBank or any website you are using as an affiliate. Okay, I want to go out there to get your affiliate link. Okay, I want to go there to get your affiliate link. So let's go to clickbank.com. clickbank.com. So we are on ClickBank. So what we want to do here is we want to look for an offer to promote. So I have an offer I wish to promote here, which is under, let's scroll down, it's under employment and jobs. So let's click here. and this is the offer here, which has it got 53.33 gravity, and the average uh, commission is $86.15. Okay, so and it's recurring, which is also okay for us to promote. So we want to promote this offer. So what we want to do here is that we want to go here and copy the hop link. So want to copy this hop link here. Want to copy this hop link, then go to your notepad and paste in the hop link. Then you minimize your notepad, so you are good to go. Close this. So the next thing, we are, I told you I'm going to show you how to promote your offer here, and we've got our offer from ClickBank, as in we've got the offer wanted to promote, which is here's our hop link for us to promote the product. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to go to a website called Snaply. You want to go to Snaply. Just stay with me, okay? What I'm going to show you today is a different strategy, and if you implement this, I assure you you see some results, okay? So you want to go to Snaply, and you wait for it to load up. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to snaply.com. You want to go to Snaply. Sorry, you want to go to Snaply, not Snaply, which is this. And you wait for it to load up. Good. So this is a tool. So you click on sign in. You click on sign in, because I clicked on sign in because I have already signed up. But as for you, which I hope, I hope you haven't got any account with Snaply. All you have to do is you can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with your Google, with your Gmail, but I will advise you not to sign up with your Facebook, okay? Because if you sign up with your Facebook, it will display your profile picture, your Facebook profile picture, which to display your profile picture, which I won't advise you to do so, okay? So this is my dashboard here, So the next thing you want to do is that you want to click on this create snip. You click on create snip. Good. So we want to create a new snip. So the next thing you want to do is just leave this website as it is, and you open a new tab and go to your Google. I told you this fac.com is all about news, posting news links. So to post your own news link here, what you want to do is you want to go to Google. And you type in, or let's say these are funny news. Just type in funny politics. Good. So you know why I go for politics? Because if you go back to FAQ, let me show you this. If you go back to FAQ and check out all this link posted here, let me show you this. Scroll down. Let's scroll down and see. Let me show you. The most engaging news here are politics news, so that's why I want to go for news. I want to go for politics, okay? So the most engaging news here are politics news. So if you go for other two are engaging, but for me, I do recommend you go for politics news. So that's why I want to go for politics news. You can go for any other category here, which is entertainment, fandom, dog, food, stop, discussion. So you can go for any other category, but I'll uh I would recommend you go for politics because they are more engaging. So you want to go for politics, then you scroll down and check for a news here. Let's open this and see. Let's open this. So this is the news here, which is from what's the name of the website, which is ABC News. How about this? Let's check out this, the conversation. Okay, article on political stir Africa on October. Okay, political star Republican. Let's scroll down and see politics with Michel Bertan. Brexit. Okay, let's see. Conway anti-Trump ads show power of biting satire. Okay, let's go back and so you want to go for a news that you know is very let's go for this. Let's try US okay, Trump news. Donald Trump on verge of historical. Let's open this and check this out. Okay, I think we should go for this. Okay, because it's about Donald Trump. I know Donald Trump is someone is any news about Donald Trump these days is got more engaging. So we have to let's go for this news, which is Donald Trump on verge of historic second impeachment as House votes on Capitol siege charge. So let's go for this news. Okay, so these are a news about Donald Trump. So want to go for this? All you have to do is just to copy this news here. You copy. So for you to know, let's check this out on a incognito. Let's open this and see. So we'll have to wait for it to load up. So good. So you are good to go. So what we want to do now is we've copied the link. You want to go back to your Snaply tool. So you go back to the tool, then you paste in the URL here. You paste the URL, then you scroll down. Then the offer I told you about is about employment. Okay, and I told you on every sales we'll be able to earn $86.50. So and we've copied the link which is here. So you want to copy the link. Go back to your Snaply. Then you type in this, which is get paid because this headline I use here, I got this from their sales page. If you open this here, let's open this so I'll be able to show you this. So you'll be able to know more about the offer I wanted to promote. So if you copy the link and open the sales, let's open the offer is called farjobs.com, which is about snapping picture and selling your photos to make some money. Okay, so yeah, you sell your pictures to make some money. So that's what the offer is all about. So what we want to do is you want to copy this heading here. You want to copy this. You copy this. Go back to your Snaply. So you paste it here. So you want to copy the heading, then you paste it here. So if you paste it here, you see that it will automatically pop up here. Then you type in learn more, which is your button. Then I pasted my affiliate link here. Can you see that? So it's all about, let me say 1 2 3 4 5 steps. Okay, you want to paste in the link of the news. Okay, you want to paste in the link of the news, and this is the reason why I said you shouldn't use your you shouldn't use your Facebook login to sign up, because if you use your Facebook it will reflect here. But if you use your Google account, which is if you use your Gmail, you'll be able to insert any pictures here. So that's why I put in this picture, which is congruent with the offer I'm trying to promote. Okay, so this is a photo picture. So then I insert my heading, then the learn more, which is this, then the affiliate link. Then I'll hit on this snip so that it will snip it for me. Okay, so this is my link. So what I'm going to do is that I'll copy this link, then go back to fact.com. You go back to your fact.com. You go back to fact.com and you scroll up here. Then you scroll up, then you click on this submit a link. Okay, guys, are you following me? Just try to watch this, rewatch this video if you understand what I'm showing you. Okay, so you want to scroll here, then it will open this page for you, and you type in your password. Then you choose your category. And you know, I told you is we are going for politics here, which is this. And you choose your category, then you go back to your Snaply here. These are Snaply. We copied. You copy this, go back to your FAQ, and you paste in the link here. Okay, then you paste in the link. Then you want to add some tags. So the tag is all about United States, Donald Trump, right? So Donald Trump, comma, what again? So you have some tags. Okay, the tags you know they are related to the news you want to promote, as you want to post. Okay, so then you click on this topic here. Say what the news is, what's the news about. You want to choose the topic, which is let's just put let's use this, let's say amusing. Okay, no, let's scroll down and see some. Okay, let's scroll down. Just click on this news. Okay, then you want to, here is where you add the website you got the news from. Okay, if you got the news from someone, then you add you leave it as it is. But we got the news from which website, which is a 9 News. Okay, so you go back and type in 9 News, so it will automatically populate the logo of the website. Okay, so you type in 9 News. So you add this 9 News, then you FAQ it. Okay, that's all. Then you want to hit on this FAQ it. So I'll wait for it to load up. So that's all. You've added item to submission queue. So you have to wait for some let's say some minutes so that it will be approved. So I'm sure it will be approved because you didn't post any link here. Okay, so anyone that visits this website here, this link, so they won't see it as let's visit the website, which the link I posted on FAQ. So anyone that visit the link, so all they will see is that they will see the news, and this will pop up here. So this is your affiliate link. So this will pop up, which is get paid to take photos, start selling photos today. Okay, so if anyone sees this, they will like to hit this button, and if they hit this button, it will automatically take them to your offer. Okay guys, so just imagine this let me show you this. Just imagine these people, your offer in the front of these 8.79 million people. So I think that's all for now. Okay, if you find this helpful, guys, kindly give me some likes, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and smash the notification bell. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching.